Good evening, Southeast Texas. Looking at some high clouds over the area. It's very humid, but at least nothing is on radar right now. We're looking at Education First Federal Credit Union and over at Lamar State College in Port Arthur on the Roofing 911 Skycam network. What was that? Looks like extreme activity over Southeast Texas on the Skeeter meter Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Just ridiculous. It just will not abate. As you can see, high clouds show up very well on infrared satellite. So they're thin, but that's why it looks so impressive. They're really thin. But again, we're looking at temperatures very mild, or I should say muggy outside. It's 6 in Beaumont, 76 over in Orange. In Port Arthur, MJ Ponsegrove reporting 65/100ths of an inch from this morning's activity and 75 degrees. Further to the north, in Jasper, it's 77, and in Warren, Jim Monk reporting 74 and less than 1/10 of an inch of rainfall. I think you're going to get more than that coming up tomorrow. 70s ahead of a front, behind the front. Temperatures cool into the 60s, and it's already down to 57 in Amarillo. And as you can see, even a severe thunderstorm warning northeast of Del Rio, Central Texas, and just to the south of Dallas, line of showers and storms. This is all due to an upper level disturbance headed our way ahead of that front. Say it ain't snow, but yeah, it is. It's been falling between Telluride, Durango, and Pagosa Springs in Colorado. We're going to be watching a disturbance coming in the southwest flow right over our area tomorrow. That's the impetus for the widespread shower and thunderstorm activity. Then that southwest flow becomes more westerly on Sunday, so I've reduced our rain chances. And then this happens. We get a northerly flow as low pressure moves through the western sections of Tennessee, and that will drag a cold front. This is at 18,000 feet, so we're going to see a big pattern shift as we head on into early next week. In the tropics, we're watching Category 4 Hurricane Sam, still at 145. It is moving towards the north-northwest, going to be turning towards the north and east. I don't know if you saw this earlier, but there is a drone that has been out around the hurricane, and it was showing 50-foot waves out there around the storm. Pretty impressive stuff. Otherwise, continue to watch Victor heading towards the northwest. It is going to turn to the north and dissipate as we head towards Tuesday of next week. Futurecast showing pretty quiet weather through midnight and through 5 a.m. Not much. After that, then, things start really activating as we'll be watching that disturbance come on in, and it looks like a wet day across Southeast Texas, specifically between, say, 9 and about 3 p.m. tomorrow. Still wet weather on the radar by 7 p.m. tomorrow night. On the Gulf of Mexico, choppy seas around 2 to 4. We'll see southeast winds at 10 to 15 tomorrow. Our forecast tonight, after about 5 a.m., we'll start seeing some scattered showers moving in off the Gulf of Mexico. Could see some patchy fog. Upper 60s lakes, lower 70s triangle. Then tomorrow, 80% coverage of rain and storms. I'm not expecting severe weather, 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches possible. We'll give it again 80% up in the lakes area and a 60% on Saturday. Looking at 1, 2, maybe 3 inches through Saturday. Then I think rain chances are going to go down. We'll see. I'll take another look at it tomorrow. But then the front comes through. And Monday looking pretty nice. At least the moisture levels, the humidity levels will be going down thanks to northerly winds. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, cool mornings and pleasantly warm, sunny, dry afternoons with low humidity expected.